Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Now I've been doing these kind of pours and the same composition but all in different colours the last couple of months, throwing them in here and there. So today I'm doing a completely different colour palette again, which I believe is going to work perfectly. So this is on this lovely little deep edged canvas. And the first thing, obviously, that you see I'm doing is coating it with the acrylic. It is the black acrylic fluid art. If you're new to my channel or you are a beginner, all the information is in the description below each video for making up your own pouring medium to create acrylic fluid. And any information is there for also for varnishing and lots of good stuff all underneath this video in description. So the very simple colour palette I'm using at the moment is hot pink, which is a fluoro pink, and my homemade champagne gold, which is 50% metallic gold, 50% silver, and I absolutely love it. So nothing could be simpler, just those two colours. I'm going to blow it out with my mini blow dryer, which was just a little charity shop find, but I get asked about it all the time. It's called a Babyliss, and that's what I'm using it to blow it out. So then I'm going to further embellish this with the straw to create some sort of softer wispy bits, and then continue on to really bring those colours out and make it pop with some floral designs. So I will jump in where I feel I need to and let you know what I'm doing, like right here. That was my catalyst wedge, and I'm doing some nice soft wisps, as you see. That really creates like a whimsical effect in your art. So it's a really handy little gadget to have. They're also in my Amazon shop below, and you can get them from art and craft stores. So there's nothing sort of too difficult there in finding the catalyst wedges. So bear with me with this, because I will blow those flowers out, but I'll also add as I go along, as you'll see in a second. So that was just a little deflated balloon, and that looks perfect. And I'll just continue on blowing the flowers out. So if you wait on, I will bring you down and we'll have a close-up of that detail. So you see a very simple and quick little creation, but very, very effective, and finishing touches, of course, with my balloon. Wow, colour combo week. Simple but very effective on that black background. Super duper hot pink and gold with black. Look at that. Oh, I just love these so much. So if you're looking for an easy beginners, get yourself a little blow dryer, preferably a travel one. So easy. The information, everything is in the drop down box underneath the video in description. If you're looking, you're only a beginner and you've been led to my channel, good on you, YouTube. Thank you very much, YouTube's algorithm. If not, I just hope that if you've seen this video today, if you're one of my sticky viewers, it's another a colour combination you might want to try. Simplistic but very effective. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, until next time, my people, please take care. Remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please don't suffer in silence. If there's not a family or a friend available, then there's always a helpline. Thanks so much. Bye for now.
I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little little bit of your heart, give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart, give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you.
Just a quick little demo on an acrylic fluid art cup pour, and using a bit of spray paint in for effect. So a very simple cup pour, which is using green deep and some pale green, which was just white with the green deep added, and some champagne gold. So it's basically just very minimalistic colours, and just loading your cup as you see, and flipping the cup or jiggling the cup, whichever way you see fit, and then you can just get some fantastic results with this kind of fluid art all on its own. So just add in a bit of white there, and we're going to there you go, just flip it, literally flip the cup, give it a few taps so the paint drops down, and lift it up or burp it up as you see me doing there, and it creates a lovely little effect on a canvas. So if you're interested in this kind of art, I have all free tutorials on my YouTube channel. So this is just spraying some of that lovely metallic gold into the, on top of, as you see, the fluid art flip, and then giving it a little blow with my blow dryer to just separate it a bit. So it adds some really nice metallic gold embellishments in that pour that really do shine. So a quick and easy little demo for you, and like I said, full free demonstrations are on my YouTube channel, and you can see how even that spray paint has caused like sort of little ruptured cells there, but they're sort of encapsulated with the gold around the edges of them. So I really do think this is a nice unique technique to use with your fluid art, and I've done it several times in the past. But yeah, just a quick little demo. Hope you enjoyed, and wait on for the end results.